Hey everyone, welcome back to the Quench Your Adventure YouTube channel. We are Jenna and Jeremy, and after 3 years of living nomadic lifestyles, we are now settled in Florida and raising our little girl. We visited over 40 countries and spent nearly a month in Thailand, and it was incredible. We would do it all over again, even if it meant still having the traveler's diarrhea that was totally awful. Anyway, let's talk about a seemingly underrated province in Thailand. Fun fact, there are 76 provinces in Thailand. This one is the third largest. Welcome to Kanchanaburi. My uncle actually lived northeast of Bangkok in Rangsit, and he toured us around for a few days. Kanchanaburi is the name of the province, but also the name of the first city you reach after driving roughly an hour and a half from Bangkok. Apparently, when you first cut into the durian fruit, it smells like rotting flesh, sewage, and stinky gym socks.
Uh-oh, you don't like?
It's a strange flavor.
What? I'm really nervous because I love me some ice cream.
Yeah, you have better taste buds than I do. They're like more specific. Like I could still eat it.
Yeah. It's like fruity, but it's like not like my favorite fruit. I'd give it a 6.5 out of 10. Oh, I see. What are they eating, you think? What kind do you think? Oh, but it's little.
Guys, the train is coming. Here's a view of the tracks. People are making their way off, and he is gonna stop though. Okay, there it is approaching. We visited the Tham Krasae Death Railway Bridge. Quite a name, right? A lot of history here. It's a wooden trestle bridge built during World War II as part of the Burma Railway and runs through this gorge along the river. Later, we'll be visiting Hellfire Pass, where we'll learn more about the Allied prisoners of war under the Japanese that built all of this. The Hellfire Pass Interpretive Center and Memorial Trail are dedicated to Australian, other Allied prisoners of war, and local forced laborers who suffered and died building this railroad during World War II.
Jeremy's trying something new. We pulled over on a random street here in Thailand, and he's gonna try.
He's making roti, slapping and spinning the dough. You can get sweet and savory. I guess it's kind of like a crepe. The most orange-looking butter I've ever seen, but apparently it's delicious. And a little bit of sugar.
Yum! That's really good. Powdered sugar too.
Yes, I have got some. So the cold river is here. You could start here if you wanted to get a nice chill. And then behind over there, we've got a hot spring. And then here we've got one as well. Try not to video too many people.
Where is Jeremy? Oh yeah, the fish are lining up for Jeremy. They're saying, give me those nasty, sweaty hiking shoe feet. Dip them in that water, baby.
It's really going. I feel it. Ah!
Jeremy has a big welt on his big toe. He wants them to get the work on it. Yeah, whoa, he like latched on. How cool is this place? You can stay in a cottage, go swimming, see 7 different waterfalls, go on different hikes, and go with the monitor lizards. Oh, look at the monitor lizard out of water. They are slow moving, but I feel like they could be really fast.